If you're a homeowner in Orangeburg, SC, and considering upgrading your home, installing new windows might be one of the best decisions you can make. Whether your current windows are old, damaged, or simply outdated, new windows can bring a host of benefits to both the look and functionality of your home. Here are the top 5 reasons why installing new windows in your Orangeburg home is a smart investment. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most compelling reasons to install new windows in your Orangeburg home is the significant improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes, can let drafts in and cool air out, making it harder to regulate your home's temperature. This means your heating and cooling systems work harder, leading to higher energy bills. New energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed to provide better insulation. With double or triple panes, low E coatings, and gas fills between the panes, modern windows help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This results in less reliance on heating and air conditioning, which can reduce your monthly utility bills by as much as 15–25%. Over time, the savings can offset the cost of window installation. Improved curb appeal. Windows are one of the most prominent features of your home's exterior, so upgrading them can have a dramatic effect on your home's curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a fresh look, new windows can completely transform the aesthetic of your property. From sleek, modern styles to traditional designs, there are countless window options to suit your home's architecture. Adding large picture windows can flood your rooms with natural light, while installing stylish bay or bow windows can create a cozy nook. When prospective buyers see freshly installed, high-quality windows, it gives them the impression that the house has been well maintained, which can increase its market value. Enhanced security and safety. Old or damaged windows can compromise the security of your home. Worn-out locks, broken seals, or warped frames can make it easier for intruders to break into your home. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials, offering much better protection against forced entry. In addition to security, new windows can also improve safety in other ways. For example, modern windows come with better ventilation options, so you can easily open and close them to allow fresh air while keeping children or pets safe from falling out. Certain window styles, such as tilt-in or sliding windows, are also easier to clean, reducing the risk of accidents when cleaning high or hard-to-reach areas. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy area of Orangeburg or near a highway, you're probably familiar with the noise pollution that can disrupt your peace and quiet. One of the lesser-known benefits of installing new windows is their ability to reduce external noise. Energy-efficient windows often have multiple panes of glass, with layers of air or gas trapped between the panes. This structure acts as a barrier, helping to reduce the amount of sound that enters your home. Whether it's traffic, noisy neighbors, or even a nearby construction site, new windows can create a quieter, more comfortable living space, allowing you to enjoy peace and privacy in your home. Increased home value. Investing in new windows is not just about the immediate benefits. it's also about increasing the long-term value of your property. Whether you're looking to sell now or in the future, new windows are a major selling point. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated features like new windows because it suggests that the home is well maintained and energy efficient. Studies have shown that homes with new windows can sell for more than homes with older, outdated windows. In some cases, homeowners can recoup up to 70% of their investment in window replacement through increased home value. Additionally, if you plan to stay in your home for the foreseeable future, the increased comfort, lower energy bills, and enhanced aesthetics will make your home more enjoyable to live in. Conclusion: installing new windows in your Orangeburg home can offer a wide range of benefits that go far beyond just aesthetic improvements. From saving money on energy bills to enhancing security, noise reduction, and increasing the overall value of your property, new windows provide both short-term and long-term advantages. If you're considering window replacement, it's important to consult with a trusted window installation expert in Orangeburg to choose the best windows for your needs and budget. With so many options available, you're sure to find windows that will not only improve the look of your home but also enhance its efficiency, comfort, and safety for years to come.